1 hour later.
I came to look for some ground beef, but as you can see, the shelves up now. We're back at the Costco again. I have to do some more shopping because we ran out of supplies really quickly, so I have to get some more food.
The next day.
Hello folks, Evan Cortez 2 here, and today I am going to show you how to make a DIY do-it-yourself face mask, because in these times we need face masks when we go outside, and some places don't even let you into their places, their stores, if you're not wearing a face mask. So today, and if you try to buy one, there's nothing out there. So today I'm going to try to show you how to make a homemade do-it-yourself face mask using a simple bandana that you can buy anywhere, like at Michael's or Walmart or some store like that, and a couple of hair bands like this. Also, you can buy these anywhere, Walmart, Michael's, although Michael's is closed. Walmart's open though, you can buy them there, or any CVS drugstore. Okay, simple materials like this. First of all, you take this bandana. It's about 22 by 22. That's about the good size. And you fold it like so. Fold this part up to the middle like so. And then fold the top part also to the middle like so. Then you fold it a second time. This part up to here like this, and this top up to here like that, down to here like that. Now you have the basis for your face mask. See, this will be the basis for your face mask. Then the next step is to fold the side to the middle like this. Make sure it's even. Yes. Make a beautiful, friendly little fold like this. I'm starting to talk like Bob Ross now. Let's make a happy little tree over here.
Let's paint several little happy trees.
Okay, now this is your basis for your face mask. Like that, see? But before you fold it, we put the hairband on the end here, like that. just loop the end through the hairband so it kind of looks like that, see? Like that. And then we fold it over the hairband. So this will be our basis for our face mask. Let's test it out. See? The hairband keeps it in place like this. And that's how it'll look like. But first, what we have to do is we have to take some needle and thread and stitch it right up the middle here. I'm going to do that now. I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm going to have to hand sew it. So this is how you hand sew your DIY face mask. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a DIY homemade face mask. How's that, huh? Doesn't it look good? Doesn't it look good? Yeah, that's pretty cool. You don't have to go out looking for the expensive face masks, which doesn't exist out there anymore because you can't buy it anymore. You can just stay home and make one. Huh? See? See how that looks? That's perfect for my face. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's just the perfect size. See? The side here. That's how the side is. There's the front. And it's the other side like that. You know, the hairband through my ears. There you go. DIY face mask. Thank you.